Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Ministry of Ports and Shipping Waterways circulated the draft of Indian Port Bill 2020 for public consultation, which will replace an Indian Port Act 1908. The draft Indian Port Bill 2020 seeks to, inter alia, enables the structure, growth, and sustainable development of ports to attract investment in the port sector for utilization of Indian coastline to administer ports. The ministry said in the statement. The proposed bill will provide measures to facilitate conservation of ports, taking into account the prevalent situation with respect to the high number of non-operational ports. It shall further ensure greater investment in the Indian maritime and port sector through the creation of improved comprehensive regulation framework for creation of new ports and management of existing ports. The bill also seeks to inter-alliance creating an enabling environment for growth and sustainable development of port sector in India. It proposed the constitution of Maritime Port Regulatory Authority, formulating of national port policy and a national port plan in consultation with the coastal state governments, state maritime boards, and other stakeholders. Formulation of specialized adjudicatory tribunals, namely Maritime Port Tribunal and Maritime Ports Appellate Tribunal, to curb any anti-competitive practice in the port sector and act as a speedy and grievance redressal mechanism. To up-to-date provisions of a proposed bill would ensure safety, security, pollution control, performance standards, and sustainability of ports. The bill ensures that all up-to-date conventions, protocols to which India is a party are also suitable incorporated with. This will promote maritime safety and security in the true sense. The bill will fill up the gaps of achieving a scientific development of ports and port network. The bill seeks to provide increased opportunities for public and private investments in the Indian maritime and port sector by way of removing barriers to entry, simplifying process and establishment of agencies and bodies to plan and enable growth of a port sector, enhancing ease of doing business. It will provide greater impetus to self-reliant domestic investment climate in the maritime sector. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.